Get ready for your English class. Do you meet new people at work? Are these people really good friends? Are they complete strangers? No, right? They are acquaintances. Do you sometimes see your acquaintances again? Do you chat? What about? Do you talk about recent things, things that you have done in the past? That's right, you catch up. Let's practice that today. Let's catch up with an acquaintance. Look at this picture. This is Sue. Did Sue study English for the first time yesterday? No, right? We can say that she has studied English before today. She has studied English before. Now, let's ask a question. Did she study English before yesterday? Or we can ask the question, has she studied English before? There you go. In this case, the answer, yes, she has. Let's ask another question. Did she study Italian in the past? No, right? Or once again, we can ask the question, has she studied Italian before? In this case, no, she hasn't. Notice that we are talking about actions in the past. Let me give you another example. Look at these two situations. Are these situations in the past? Mary ate pizza yesterday. Mary has eaten sushi before. Yes, right? They are in the past. What is the difference? Look at them. If you notice, the first one indicates a specific moment in the past, yesterday, while the second is also in the past but not specific, before. That is the difference. If you want to express a specific moment, Mary ate. If you want to express an indefinite moment in the past, has eaten. Let's check some other examples and let's ask some questions and combine specific and not specific past. Look at examples. Have you ever worked in a large company? In this case, we are not asking for a specific moment, only any moment in the past. Have you ever worked in a large company? Yes, I have. Now, let's ask for a specific moment. When did you get your job at that company? We need to answer with a specific moment. I got my job there in 2020. Great. Now, let's try to make more pairs of questions like this. Check. Have you ever played tennis? Indefinite. When was the last time you played? Specific. What countries have you been to? Indefinite. What city did you go last year? Specific. So depending on your purpose, you need to ask with a specific or indefinite question for the past. Let's check some other examples. We have talked about different things that we have done in the past. Now let's talk about things that we haven't done in the past. Check. Think about three different things you haven't done and why to complete these ideas. For example, I haven't gone fishing before because I'm not interested in that activity. I need to save more money. That's why I haven't traveled to Japan. I have never eaten lobster because I don't really like seafood. Try to complete this with your own ideas. Now, it's time to go with our final practice. Let's catch up with an acquaintance. First, we need to greet. For example, hello, nice to see you again. What is an appropriate response? Maybe, likewise, have you talked to Peter? Here we have the first question about past experiences or indefinite past. Let's answer with a yes. Yes, I have. I talked to him last week. Have you finished your project? We include a specific moment in the past. I talked to him last week. And we ask a question back. Have you finished your project? Now, we can answer, no, I haven't. Actually, I wanted to ask for your help, etc., etc., etc. Very good. Let's practice. I read green and you read pink. Hello, nice to see you again. Yes, I have. I talked to him last week. Have you finished your project? Very good. Now let's switch. You read green, I read pink. Likewise. Have you talked to Peter? No, I haven't. Actually, I wanted to ask for your help. Very good. Now, before you go, remember that this is the moment when I give you some free practice. Today, you can comment one of these sentences and complete with your own ideas. I'll check you and I'll tell you if they need any corrections. Thank you for the follow, hit the subscribe button, and I will see you next class. Bye bye.